Welcome, history fanatics, to Mrs. Heron's video playlist, where you will get the best of the best in social studies.
We're beginning with Unit 1, Where in the World Map Skills. The unit goal is analyze various types of maps of differing complexities. It includes Part 1 from Core Concepts, which is Tools of Geography, and Part 3 from Core Concepts, Climates and Ecosystems. We're continuing Part 1 with Section 2, Geography's 5 Themes. You have to answer the question, what are the 5 themes of geography by the end of this section?
Your eyes and tap your heels together 3 times. And think to yourself, there's no place like home. There's no place like home.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place There's no place like home.
In the movie Wizard of Oz, Dorothy just wanted to go home. She may have gotten home a lot faster if she had studied the 5 themes of geography. This is how geographers understand people and places and answer those 2 important questions. Where are things located and why? They are location, place, region, movement, and human-environment interaction. Where are you right now? Are you at home, watching your brother's soccer game? Or maybe you've been abducted by aliens and you're halfway to Mars. In any case, wherever you are is your location. There are 2 types of location, absolute and relative. Absolute location uses the degrees of longitude and latitude to give exact location of a place. For example, the coordinates for St. Philip Neri are 35 degrees north and negative 97 degrees west. And the exact address is 1121 Felix Place, Midwest City, Oklahoma 73110. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why would I need to know this, Mrs. Heron? That's what GPS is for. And you're right. GPS is awesome for getting you to and from places, but sometimes GPS does not work right, and it only works because it has these coordinates. The second type of location is relative location. I like to think of this as your relative, someone that's close to you but lives somewhere else. Think about what's close to your school. It's across the street from Midwest City High School. It's in between Midwest Boulevard and Air Depot. And it's off of Felix Place. These are all examples of relative location. Alright, the next theme is place. Place is defined by everything in an area, from landforms to climate, language, and even the people who live there. Studying place will answer the question, what is it like there? It examines physical and human characteristics of an area. For example, St. Philip Neri has grades K3 through 8 and is a Catholic school. The students are diverse and most speak English. It is air-conditioned and in an older building, but there have been a lot of nice improvements lately. The physical characteristics might include a huge green lawn by the playground with large hills. There are blossoming trees in the front and a paved parking lot. The third theme is region. A region combines 2 similar areas based on something they have in common, like population or climate. St. Philip Neri is part of the Archdiocese of Oklahoma City, along with all the other Catholic schools in the Oklahoma City metro area. It is also part of the larger Mid-Del district. The 4th theme is movement. Movement is how people, goods, and ideas travel from place to place. Students at St. Philip Neri walk from class to class unless they're late, and then they may have to book it and run. That's a joke. Don't actually run in the hallway unless you want my autograph. Their parents drive them from school every morning and pick them up in the afternoon. And teachers are carried on a gold-plated chair throughout the hallway by the students. Okay, maybe that last one was an exaggeration. The fifth and final theme is human-environment interaction. This refers to how people and their surroundings impact each other. Sometimes it's for the better, and sometimes it's for the worse. Members and students of St. Philip Neri and the parish work hard to keep up with the landscaping around the school. The lawns are regularly mowed, bushes are trimmed, and the flowers are weeded and watered. In return, St. Philip's trees provide fresh oxygen for its students and shade in the springtime. We also had the groundbreaking for the Family Life Center, which was an example of human-environment interaction. Now, to remember all 5 things, you have to ask Mr. Help. That's movement, region, human-environment interaction, location, and place. Mr. Help. To review, we discussed the 5 themes of geography: location being divided between absolute and relative, place or what it's like in an area, region or what 2 places or areas have in common, movement or the transport of goods, people, and ideas, and human-environment interaction or how we interact with nature. In the following section, we will discuss how geographers show the Earth's surface.